Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, February 25th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the essential steps needed to escape your 9 to 5. And if you've never seen any of my videos before, I'm Russ. I've been working in the work from home space for the last 18 years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018, and I am truly passionate about helping other people create mailbox money. So, the steps that are needed, all right? The first thing that you want to do, you want to be in an alignment with a product or service that you are passionate about, all right? Preferably in a niche that you're passionate about. So for me, in all the examples that I use, I'm sharing with you what works for me, all right? I'm in the make money online industry. That's my niche, but there's niches for everything, right? And there's products and services that have affiliate offers for everything nowadays. So you just have to find something that resonates with you and a product and/or service that you can get behind 100%, preferably become a product of the product, right? You want to be using the product or service that you're recommending to other people. And that's the first step, all right? So once you find a product or service that you can get behind 100%, the next thing that you want to do is you want to clean up your social media profiles. You want to have professional looking social media profiles, okay? And what I mean by that is you don't want to be posting anything negative on there. You don't want to be posting anything political. You want to have positive things on your social media platforms, all right? And the only two social media platforms that I focus on are YouTube and Facebook, all right? And everybody asks me why, and it's because they are the number 2 and number 3 most visited sites in the world, okay? So above Google, it's Facebook and YouTube. There's billions of people on both platforms, all right? So why go to all these other platforms? I'm not saying you shouldn't do that. If you have a well-established social media platform that you use already, then stick to that. But I'm just telling you why I use Facebook and YouTube. All right, everybody's on Facebook and YouTube, and it's tons of free traffic on there, okay? And I love free traffic. But you want to clean up your social media platforms, all right? Just make them look professional. Nobody cares about your political views. Nobody wants to hear about drama in your personal life, and just keep it positive. And it doesn't mean you can't share things that aren't going well once in a while, right? I mean, you want to be open and honest about your personal life, but share pictures of your family, share pictures of your animals, share pictures of places that you visit or experiences that you've had, or tell your story, post positive quotes, things like that, right? The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that everything you're doing is automated, okay? Now, most affiliate programs come with sales pages, but you want to make sure that you have a capture page in place to where you can capture the lead. Anytime you get a lead, or anytime you have somebody requesting more information, you want to capture their information. You want to get their name and email address, or at the very minimum, you want to get their email address. Right? You want to build a list so that you can market to this list over and over and over again. So all the opportunities that I'm a part of have systems in place that do all the selling and telling for me. Okay? And that's what you want. You want this as automated as possible, so that the only thing that you have to do is drive traffic to your program. Which brings me to step number 4, and that is getting traffic. Okay? Now, for me personally, I do a hybrid marketing method, and I use online and offline methods. So I have a bunch of places online that you can share your opportunity with, or I share my links online. And then I also just focus on making videos on YouTube and focusing on my Facebook platform, all right? But you definitely want to use online marketing. And then on the flip side of that, I send out letters, direct mail, which has very good conversion rates, better conversion rates than email marketing. And I send out letters, personalized letters, that give people a brief history of who I am, gives them all my contact information, And then I put in the opportunities that I'm sharing with other people, all right? And by doing a Since I've added the direct mail marketing to my stuff, I've tripled my income, okay? Because it just flat out works if you stay consistent with it. But you want to get traffic. So like, for example, I have my main site is joinruss.com, okay? This has all of my opportunities on there. It has a way for you to contact me. You can see my YouTube videos. You can connect with me on Facebook. And my sole job is to get traffic over to joinruss.com, all right? And then I use the online marketing and offline marketing. And then the fifth thing you want to do, all right, and this is super important if you want to, it's probably the most important essential step if you want to escape your 9-to-5, is you want to scale your business, right? So when you start making commissions on these programs or whatever program or service you're offering, you want to take that money and reinvest it back into your business, okay? And you want to keep doing that until you get up to a comfortable level to where you can start paying yourself a little bit of money, right? So for example, if you're mailing out, say 100 postcards every month or 100 letters every month, and that's all you can afford to do, that's fine. But when you start making commissions, take some of that money and reinvest it back into your letters and postcards to where you're mailing out 200 postcards a month. All right, and then scale it up to 400, then 800, then 1600, then 30, you know, get to as many letters that you can mail out as possible. And the more eyeballs that see your opportunity or service, whatever it is you're offering, the more leads you're going to get, which equates to more sales in the long run, okay? But those are the essential steps needed in order to escape your 9-to-5. And if you have any questions about this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. You can also, you know, go to joinruss.com, check out what I offer, and you can connect with me there if you'd like to. I'm here to help everybody out, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. So if you found any value in my video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. I appreciate you very much. I look forward to seeing you on my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.